here they are. The Bitcoins. We got them. We got our Bitcoins. Here they are. You know, tradable worldwide. Okay, just kidding. These are rubber feet, high quality rubber feet. I sliced one in half. Solid core. If you wanted to use them in a project, brought the micrometer by. I guess you'd just, you know, if this had a hole in this plexiglass here, drill a hole, and let's see what hole size that would be. Give me a sec. Okay, it's a little tight. Loosen that up. That's 0.77, and that is nice and loose. You could probably even, if you wanted it to be, you know, a little firmer, 0.75, and it would be firm, and it wouldn't move as much. This is kind of my fun video. There's the parts. You do get 4 of these, 4 whole ones. This is a half a coin. you do get 4 of them though. That one I just cut in half to see if it was solid throughout, and it is. All right. Hope you enjoyed the video and perhaps had even a laugh.